Hello guys, you all are welcome to this channel. God bless you as you are here, my old subscribers, my new subscribers. I love you all. I was making this bed sheet for myself. I said I have to take you guys along in case if you want to make anyone for yourself at home. Okay,
Please don't mind my voice,
so
guys. I have a
this
running
is
nose.
I was just going through a shop, they sell clothes. I saw this material is so big and I love it for bedspread. It's so soft. So what I did is that the wideness is not enough, so I have to cut it into two. You have to measure your bed from the beginning to the end and from the down to the end. Anyone it give to you. So it was so big, so you see I now join it together. This is the place I joined it together because I want it to contain my bed. I love the material, guys. The material is so cool. You know, I told you guys whatever I'm doing that I need to bring you guys along, I will bring you guys along so that you learn from it too. So I'm going to stitch the other side together. So the pillow, you measure from the beginning. Anything they give you, you bring it out. That is how you will still measure the bed too. You measure the center. Whatever I give you depends on if you are using small pillow or big pillow. Okay, so you bring it out, you write it down. So I'm going to use this one to be cutting the pillow because this one I've cut the bedspread. You know the bedspread is so big, so the bedspread is what I just finished. Now I'm going to be cutting the pillow. So you just fold the pillow. So after folding the pillow this way, your measurement, you have to bring it down on top of this material. Okay, so the one that I give you, the down one give you, you put it at the down. The one that the length give to you, you put it at the length. Okay, it's so simple as ABCD. If you don't understand, you can tell me to come again. I can, because of you, to make another video for that. Okay, so the length that you're going to be cutting in this side and marking now, you have to add like 11 inches to it. So I will show you why we are leaving the 11 inches. Okay, when we are cutting it, I will show you why we are leaving the 11 inches. There are different ways to make pillowcase and bedspread. Okay, but I don't usually video it. I just remember I can video this too, because anytime I go to shop, I see fine material that is cool. I love to go for it. I'm not videoing it. This one just come to my mind. Why did you video this? Okay, I said that is true, let me video it. So guys, that is just it. I have a little bit of running nose. Don't mind my voice. Okay, so you just cut it out this way. The way you measure it, you cut this out. Remember the up, you must add 11 inches to it. The 11 inches is what I will be showing you what we use it to do. Okay, so this is one of the way you can sew pillow. There are different ways. So this remaining one, I'm still going to be keeping it because I'm going to sew 3 pillow. So I'm going to be using them, but I just want to use this one to show you example of what I'm talking about. You see, the material was so big, new one, it was so big in the tailoring shop. I just grab it, guys. I just grab it because I want to use it for, it's so soft. That is what I love about it. It's so soft and it's cool, so cool. When you lie down on top of it, you think very well. So you see, the 11 inches will remain is the up one. So we're going to be trimming it. You see, when you trim it, only the up, not the down. Only the up, not the down. So when you trim it, you can use needle if you don't have machine to sew bedspread and a pillowcase for yourself. So from there you cut it out. Do you understand what we are doing right now? From there, you cut it out. Only the up, not the down. If you don't have sewing machine, it's not an excuse because you can sew with hand too. Okay, so we'll use it to cover the pillow later. Okay, we don't want to sew the pillow that the edge will be showing, but find that there is a pillowcase that way. So the sewing I'm sewing everything around, everything, just like you are just going to sew it round. You understand? You just sew it round. It's so simple as ABCD. You see, you curve it, you start sewing it again. So simple. Even though it's a needle, you just use needle to sew it. You can do it and it will be neat. I'm telling you the truth. Okay guys, so I'm just sewing it round. That is just it. So later I can weave those ones inside. If you don't have weaving machine, don't worry, just trim it to be neat. So you see the end of where we leave the half. So I stop there. I go to the edge now. I fold so that it will be neat. So I'm folding the edge. After sewing everything around, I'm folding the edge. So the edge have to be beautiful. You see the way I'm sewing it right now. So it's not an excuse if you don't have sewing machine. You can still use needle with your hands, guys. Yes, you can do that. You can do that. So after sewing the edge there, so the place I'm going to be covering with it, I'm going to sew the beginning there. You know, one thing is that when you are learning some things for the beginning, is like, what is she doing, what is it doing? But when you settle down and look all over again, you will know that yes, I can do this. If she can do this, yes, I can do this. You see? So that is it, guys. So you turn it outside after weaving it, if you have weaving machine, or if you want to finish everything first like me before you start weaving. So it will be this way. You see? So now I take that level that I added to it, so you notch it down on top of the other one. Are you getting my point? It must be straight. You notch it down. So simple, guys. You see? So you notch there, and the other way too, the other side too, you do the same to it. You do the same to it. So you see your pillow, you can have 5 or to 6 pillowcase at home, or 7. When this one dirty, you wash this and change it. Okay, you can be doing it. So this is it. Well, sometimes if you see beautiful one that is cheaper, you buy them to stress yourself. Okay, but if you see the material you love, you can go for it. So you see, this one will be inside, this one will be on top of it. You see that it's so simple. Now I'm going to be wearing the pillowcase. Let's see what you are going to. So as you can see, you're still wearing it. That is it. Simple as ABCD. Simple as what? ABCD. So guys, I made this video. I have to show it to you so you learn from it. If you don't know how to do it, you learn from it. Okay, if you know how to do it before, fine, you still learn another way. Okay, so simple as that. You see, so beautiful, cute. I love the color. Even the color is not too showing well here. The color is green, not too green, just beautiful color. Just beautiful color, guys. So beautiful. You see, I've sewn a lot of them, 3. that I'm going to be wearing the red pillow. This is the best spread, so big. So that is it. You see where I join it is showing in the bed, but it doesn't really matter. Okay, it doesn't really matter, but it must show because the material was not wide in the length, so it must show there. So but guys, how do you see? It's so beautiful after spreading it. So beautiful. What did you have to say? What did you have to say? Beautiful, no? This is the long one, this is the short one. So that is it. Beautiful. You can do it if I can do it, okay? Even the center one, if you don't want that line to be showing, you can just do design there, but I just want to leave it plain. I have a lot that I've made before that I didn't do video of. I said let me start doing video of it. I'm a YouTuber. Yeah, thank you guys. Subscribe, like, okay, press the notification bell. I love you all.